Okay guys, here's the kit. Again, this is from iCrimp. It's a brand of iWis. Now this is the IWS-50BN series. It's the battery cable crimpers for RV, solar, off-grid battery packs. Automotive, which is what we're going to be using it for, because we do a lot of ground cables, a lot of battery cables, so on and so forth. Now, basically, anything that takes a copper end like this right here, okay, that you need to crimp. If you need to crimp a wire that has a copper end like this is going to be the right tool for this, okay? Barring that it's the right wire size. So this does 1 gauge, 2 gauge, 4 gauge, 6 gauge, 8 gauge, and 1/0, okay? And we know this from right here, inside of this, which is right here, okay? And here in a second, I'll show you what those do, all right? But this is where you adjust what size wire, okay? You would match up each side. So, you know, it's 4 and 4 kind of thing. You put the arrow to 4, and you can do a 4 gauge wire, right? I did crimp a 8 gauge wire here earlier. I put one on. This is a one shot deal. Look at that hexagonal crimp I put on there. One shot. I can't pull that off. That is on there super tight. So what I wanted to do is to show you guys kind of how this works, okay? So I'm going to set this up on a tripod, and then I'll be right back, and we'll actually crimp an end on this 8 gauge wire so you guys can. Okay guys, so what we have here is an 8 gauge wire. I'm going to take the iCrimp cutters, show you how they work. We're going to go right there. Boom. Cuts it like butter. Then we're going to take the wire strippers. Set this up. It's actually got different size, if you see here, big, different size wires set up for that. So we're going to strip this. That comes off a lot easier. Alright, so there's that. Then we're going to take the crimpers, okay? We're doing 8 gauge. So if you look here, you want these arrows on 8. Now, when you open this up, you can adjust them here. And if you watch the arrow here while I do that, you'll see it moves, right? So we're going to go to 8. I'm going to put my end in here. Okay, see that? Then we're going to come over here. I'm going to do it this way. We're going to slide it into the wire. Then we're just going to, boom, take it off, set that off to the side. There's your crimp. It is, I'm pulling with all my strength. I cannot pull that off. It doesn't turn. It's where it goes. That's our guy. This thing does amazing crimps, one shot. I mean, literally, I've done 2. I had 2 ends sitting around on an 8 gauge wire, and it was a one shot deal. It does a really, really good job. You get the hexagonal crimp. Couldn't be happier with that. Again, this is the kit. It comes from a company called iCrimp, which is a brand of iWis. Okay, see that right there?